Hi, I'm Meredith and I'm with Coastal Business Supplies, and I'm going to show you our double-walled tumbler right after this. And we're back. So we are going to show you our double-walled tumbler. We did our design using Photoshop, and we did print using the sheet feeder on the F570. So I'm going to go ahead and just trim up my image. Before pressing this, make sure that you take it apart. This stuff will not go into the heat press, but this outer part will. And then tape your image on using our thermal tape. And be sure not to overlap the tape with your image because it could cause some discoloration. Okay, you will want to use our insert, and I have had it preheating, so you'll just take the warm insert and put it into your cup. And we're using our BJ870 with the latte element. And we're at 320 degrees for 180 seconds. While this is pressing, you will notice on the insert that there are little arrows, and to make line up a little easy, I like to take a Sharpie and just kind of mark where the arrows are. There you go. All right. And you'll remove this immediately. While this is hot, you will insert your inner part into the outer part, and then you'll match them up with the arrows on this part. And once you have them lined up, simply place it on the table and push it in. We have found when putting these two pieces together, it is important that you do it while it is hot, and you do want that tight seal on there to increase the durability of your cup. If you like the image that we did use today, make sure to check out our digital marketplace. Also, check out all of our templates and instructions online at coastalbusiness.com. See you later.